up another video. Totally did not post one like 10 minutes ago. We're doing the first day of corn harvest of 2025. Yeah. This is my cousin Crosby from the Fast and Furious Quite Pablo Part 2. Will probably not be coming soon, but I might. Alright, they're dumping on the grain cart for the first time in corn. My finger was in the way. After he finishes dumping and gets that other embryo shot off, me and Crosby right there, he's what are those? Shoes. And then after he gets, so as I was saying, after he gets that done, me and Crosby right there, we're gonna take this thing over there. I'm Batman. Okay. So he's dumping. By the way, if you didn't see in the other video, this is me. What's up? There's the Ranger right there. My grandpa's in the combine. It's a John Deere S760, I think, and with a C8R corn head. Then that's a J&M 1015, I think. And then that's an 8345R W tractor. Not gonna lie. Alright, we might have to, Crosby, we're probably, oh wait, never mind, he's backing up. Yeah. Crosby. Yo, by the way, make this beanstalk famous. Alright. Make it famous. I got it. Where's the beanstalk? Oh, sorry. What are those? What are those?
Wait, why is there a beef can?
No, the fish!
No, that's not the fish!
It died.
Yeah. Oh. Wait, there's also.
Bro! It's empty! It's empty. Alright, we're probably gonna go hop in the grain cart. Oh, they're starting that. Grain cart's kind of loud. Gets kind of hard because I enjoy getting stuff. Alright, we're here. Somewhere in the grain cart. So right here we have a wild Crosby. Stop filming me! And then we have a steering wheel, iPad, other iPad, transmission, I think, radio, grain cart,
Pig 96.
seat.
Pig 96.
Kids 96! Then we have a wild Crosby.
Oh yeah, look at the combine when they fell off my head.
This video is not sponsored because I can't find anybody to sponsor me.
Hey, I finally just got sponsored you.
Oh yeah, wait, maybe we can get Papa to sponsor us.
Yeah.
This video is sponsored by Prescott Farms.
Why'd you tell me? Now they're gonna find us.
I will give you his address if this video can hit 5 likes. Okay, I changed my mind. It's not 5 likes, it's 6 likes.
I'm not that famous. But don't you want to make
If this video gets 10 views, I'll blow up his mom. I'm kidding.
If you blow up my mom, I'll blow up the green card.
What'd the green card do to you? I don't know how long this video is gonna be. There's the ranger, by the way. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that house or not, but one bump, I am. What?
Well, you don't even know who lives there.
Good one.
There must be like a million houses that look like that.
And now this is Cross's family.
What? Actually, that is my property. And it's not touching it.
It's the S.
Where'd it go?
It's the old combine that we sold.
For the junk new one.
The S660. Dang, it could even be a S670.
Bro, it is. The old combine could recline, but the new one can't even recline that far. It goes like this.
Can this seat recline?
I don't know.
Stop it.
I don't know why I did that. I think I pushed it down.
Bro, you just lowered my seat.
Alright, I'm going. Stop it.
Alright, we What's in there? Oh, it's a pair of sunglasses.
It's your life again. Feel like another year.
That's not gonna work. Why didn't you just put it in the hole?
Remember all those New Year's resolutions you made? You still haven't finished the first one.
Or sunglasses.
I mean,
See?
being honest,
Maybe.
My bad for that. That didn't work.
intentionally self-sabotage.
That's
If you flip the other way.
Protect your home and auto because you've got enough to worry about. Risk casualty insurance company affiliates and operations in most states.
Well, I can't even treat it that.
You and I make decisions
Okay, I can't do that.
But on Prize Picks, being right can get you paid. So keep the season rolling by getting $50 instantly in lineups when you play your first $5. Plus, the app for Prize Picks is
Ew, it got brown.
Just pick 2 or more players.
Mickey Bow.
Oh, that's like it.
Oh, yeah.
You could win big. Prize Picks is also available in 40 plus states, including
By the way, like
California, Texas, Florida, and Georgia.
8 months ago, I said, actually it's probably over 8, it was like 10. I said that I would start doing real life farming, and here I am.
It's good to be right.
And I'm
Download the Prize Picks app today. Use code
Hey, I'm also
Play
doing it.
$5. That's code Sunday.
Brass, insane double chin right there.
When you play
And
$5,
you look like the Peter
win or
Griffin.
lose, you'll get 50 bucks in lineups just for playing.
And then you look like the ugly Peter Griffin when you do that.
Actually, you know what? If this video can get 1 like, then I'll drop his address.
Yippee!
Fine. 1.5 likes. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll hit him with the leaf blower.
Actually, I'm okay with that.
I already hit him with the leaf blower earlier today.
I still have a bump. Wait, I think you blew it with me.
Oh yeah, I hit Hayes in the head with two cans today with the leaf blower. It went. Then,
Shut up! I don't care about your internet.
Looking to freshen up your home, but frankly, you're overwhelmed by anything other
this
than
thing can go 0 to 60 in 0 seconds because it can't go 60 miles an hour. It can only go 26. Actually, it might be able to go 31. No, only 26, I think.
Paint to coordinate with your furniture, flooring, and overall decor. You can do better than red, green, or blue with help from
Comment on this video.
Russell Painting.
What do you want me to do in the next video?
Did you know there are more ways than ever to save with Allstate? Like adding more
Hey, Cosby.
you could save.
Ah.
Save with bundling home and auto. More savings. Oh, and staying safe on the road. Ding, ding, ding. You guessed it. More savings.
No, I'm gonna have to have him record
You're in good hands.
while I'm driving because I don't think I can hold my phone and steer at the same time.
Prices vary, including based on how you
Hey, I
ride.
can take
Allstate North
photos
American Insurance
and
Company and
hold the
affiliates,
phone.
Northbrook, Illinois.
As a fan, you know all
Okay. Alright.
and when you're true at the same time. Well, that's
Alright, I don't know how long this video will be for the second time.
Just leave it and save with a bundle from Progressive. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates other insurers not available in most major situations. Progressive Teen Driver.
If you make it this far, like and subscribe, please. Yeah, he needed it so he can make his cheat sheet that he really broke. Broke even by feet. Not even McDonald's. But the only thing I have in my wallet is a McDonald's receipt. There's the Combine again. I think it's the SM60.
Do you hear that? Asthma triggers are everywhere. From dust mites, head dander, and pollen, to smog and smoke. An asthma attack can strike anywhere, anytime. Be prepared with quick-acting Primatene Mist. Clinically proven to open airways quickly. It's the #1 FDA-approved asthma inhaler available over the counter. Primatene Mist. Breathe easy again. Use as directed. Summer is calling.
Okay.
And guess what?
Yeah, I forgot to zoom it back out.
Adventure with the new swim trends and sandals to take you from the beach to the beach bar. Plus,
Nice.
Tommy Hilfiger and Michael Kors and dresses from CC
It's like a filter.
to the dinner party. Even better, get it all for 25 to 60%.
Yep,
off.
S760.
Wherever this season takes you, make Macy's your first destination. But hurry, the sale starts Wednesday. Savings on sale and already reduced prices. Exclusions apply. Progressive knows when you own a boat or RV, it's like you're automatically on vacation. Even if you're actually a marriage counselor in the middle of couples therapy. But in your mind, you're camping in Acadia.
I'm gonna try to upload maybe daily.
Protected, your lobster
Huh?
drenched in butter.
I don't know though.
Just noticed you were listening.
Will you
Like, do the
okay?
thing where you just repeat back exactly what they said, but as a question.
I said
Now back to
I'm
me.
gonna try to upload like every day, but probably not. I'll try though.
Insurance company affiliates other insurers not available in all states or situations.
Oh dang! You can't see that. I don't know where we're from. Yeah, we're in Las Vegas. No, we're in California.
Oh yeah.
No, we're in Indiana.
What? No, we're not. We're in Ohio.
If we were in Ohio, we'd be dead
Oh yeah.
from the scary monsters.
Wait, where do we live? I forget. I keep forgetting our states. I'm sorry, guys. I forget states. I'm sorry.
It's Indiana.
No, it's not. It's
Arkansas.
oh yeah. No, Arkansas.
It's Indiana.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Cause I already said in my other video.
No, then not.
We live in Indiana.
No, we don't.
Just kidding. We live in Kentucky because I like Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Bro. I'm done taking pictures.
Where do you want me to take it?
Circle out to your right, come across the road here.
Aye. Alright, we're getting ready to take off. Crossy's gonna record for me.
Do this. And this one you want me to take some. I need to open it.
Oh shit. I think this is my ride.
Well, you have to be by the door too.
Alright, where's your ride? I'm driving right now. Cuz it's just sitting there recording.
I hate this. I want to drive something.
My block.
Good for you going to drive something. You're my aunt. Technically.
Alright, so you want me to pull up beside you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to record this?
Yeah, we're dumping. That's how I have to dump in my pants.
Ew.
Not why.
That. Boy, you almost killed me.
It's not my fault that it gets so steep.
Are you going to catch me on the go?
I mean, I can try.
Okay, well, let me get started here. I think you got me about 6 rows away.
6, 7.
Wait, so should I turn right a little bit?
Oh, he has to stop. Aiden, you can put your phone right there so then you record the combine.
Tell me when I need to get closer to farther.
Chris Young is my co-host, and of course we gotta talk about Megan because she's the wife of Quinn Mitchell today.
How fast you going?
I will say this till the end of time. I've never seen someone like she is working to make it work.
About 3.
She is so incredibly talented, and Mitchell knows this. I've said this to him. She could have very easily been like, that's not gonna work with you. And she's been on a bunch of radio stuff with me where she's opened up and played shows. I'm just so happy for her, man. Talked to her about some of it. I think that's so amazing. And I think she feels
Hey, you got to be a row closer.
to do with Mitchell. Did you know her through Mitchell, or did you know her before you knew Mitchell? No, I knew Mitchell first.
Another row over.
That's how she and I met. But even obviously,
There you go, right like that.
Okay, am I at a good speed?
they're two really, really nice people. And I do want to come back in a bit.
Am I at a good speed?
She played Mitchell.
Oh, dear, right in front of us.
You're getting too close.
I am?
Wait, I'm gonna get it.
Life, is this good?
No, over another row. Away, away.
Away? Away?
Yeah, there you go.
I think
No,
you're
you're not fast enough. What's your speed say up there?
2.6?
Yeah, I need to go about 3.0.
Okay. Alright. I'm at 2.9, I won't go to 3.
You're using that or
Okay. Okay. You want me to go faster and get out of your way?
no, just stop and wait right there till I come back.
Okay. We just unloaded on the go. Pretty fairly easy.
640.
Alright, I'll probably do part 2s. I'll probably make each video like half an hour long. Alright, we got 640. We got 640 bushel on the grain cart.
Why are your bottom teeth so clean, but your top teeth are dirty?
I usually eat with my top teeth.
You eat it like
Wait,
this,
wait,
put it on your
open
tongue.
it, open your mouth. No, I want to see what your teeth look like. Wait, open them. I'm not recording. My phone's over there. Your top ones are big, but your top ones are like kind of like circle-ish, but your bottom ones are like square. Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. Bro, why did you just make my seat go down like a foot? Boing, 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 boing. Die. Yeah. Hey, what time is it?
Megan Maroney and Kenny Chesney.
It's almost 7 o'clock. Mama should be bringing us food.
My co-host this
Woo!
week is young as we were talking even in
I'm gonna text Mama.
Pictures?
I didn't come
No pictures?
No, yes, pictures.
more than a touch of irony in some ways.
Oh yeah, send them to me.
It is a little
Like that?
ironic with the title, but I also
Yeah, send them all to me.
titled the record. That's all for any of us.
Oh, I just had it.
Yeah, you got
I
it.
just love that. I think it's an amazing
Oh, wait,
song that at 9 a.m. So most people would be like, oh, you
No,
would
I had a
I just farted.
No, it didn't. I wrote that at 9 in the morning. It was done before 11. And it's just one of the songs that stuck.
I think this field is about 200 acres.
Party songs. There's a lot of love songs on there. So
This farm's estimated value is approximately 25 million. I'm not lying.
it's just a good time. And song for me. I didn't come here to leave by Chris Young. It's gonna be
No, I didn't take those. They probably hate. Just send all of them to me. Send all of the pictures about like combine. Oh yeah, I took those. Send those to me too. Alright, so
Is that it? Or do you want that too?
just send me all of them. Yep, those two.
That one too? Or that too?
Yeah, you can send those to me. I want to remember the beanhead snapping in half.
Yeah, but it's not. Okay, that's it.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, Pablo.
Send you Pablo.
Yeah, send me Pablo. Alright, send me that.
It looks-
Oh yeah, that was on the when they went to go get the
Which one?
porta potty, the poop one.
Which one?
Oh, both. Send me the poop one too.
I did see you.
Oh,
All the marked ones are going to you.
wait. Select one. Will show it to even number.
That one?
Send me that one.
No, this one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's-
I did that.
Yeah, I do that one too.
And I'll get rid of this one.
Alright.
Hey, it's 30 seconds.
Okay. But once I actually get it run the grain cart alone with Crosby right here, this is actually the second time I've done.
Okay, now can you go out there towards those weeds, turn and come back to the other end here.
And for some reason, I wasn't able to get the others.
Okay.
I'm going.
What?
I wasn't able to get the others.
Come back to the same down here where I'm going, by the road.
Okay. Crosby, you might have to send them one at a time.
I'll go with that.
Alright, can you hold this?
Don't turn too short.
I always got her.
Oh, that's close. That was close.
Yeah, that was. That was probably like a foot away from the corn.
We're on the wrong side.
No, we're not. I'm going to this side.
Well, don't you have to turn again?
I just had to turn so I can get to this one.
Oh, where are you going now?
Over here. Yeah, you just want to keep recording for me. Yeah, I'm not driving.
You're only at like 26 minutes.
That's a long time to wait.
I want to get like 28.
That's because we were obsessing over every detail, like the weight of the handle, the pivot angle of the cartridge, and the way that the blades work together to hug every contour of your face.
And wallet.
We also had to wait for some patents to expire.
I just wanted to talk about your Fortnite Battle Pass.
I don't have anything in my wallet.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're broke.
I don't have anything in my wallet, but you can look at it.
Okay.
Okay, pull over there.
There's
by the
wallet.
corn.
Guys, let's look at his wallet.
Pull over there to your left by the corn.
Look at his wallet.
Oh, to my left. Okay.
Look at his wallet. Oh, bro has a McDonald's receipt. Bro actually got a McDonald's
I
receipt.
do have a McDonald's receipt.
Nah, bro has a green light card.
Bro, stop showing them the numbers.
I didn't. I just showed him the green. I just showed the name. Bro, you have a credit
You want
card?
me to pull under you?
Bro, you have a credit card? What is that? Is that a credit card? What is that? I don't think. Is that? You actually have a credit card?
Bro, stop fucking showing them.
It wasn't even the number.
Okay, stop showing. Oh yeah, I actually think Jeff. I was trying to find that.
Find what?
Like green light card.
Oh, it's in here.
This season with Prize
Oh, it's
Picks,
in here.
where it's good to be right. Download the Prize Picks
Here you
app
go.
today. Use code Sunday and get $50 instantly in lineups.
Yeah,
when
put
you
your
play
wallet up here.
$5. That's code Sunday on Prize Picks to get $50 instantly in lineups when you play $5. Win or lose, you'll get
App
$50
good,
in
just stop right
lineups
there.
play. Guaranteed. Prize Picks, it's good to be right. Must be present in certain states. Visit prizepicks.com for restrictions and details. Previously.
Thanks.
Alright, we're currently dumping. I kind of have to take a dump now that I think about it.
Smell.
Whoa!
Aiden, is your poop green?
Maybe. I was the one that pooped in your yard.
What? Nah, that's a big poop then. No wonder it looks like a human poop.
I need a dog.
Nah! Wait, my dog's inside. Stop that. Wait, how come when I told my dog he didn't have brown?
My poop is golden like here.
Ah! Wait, that's basically impossible. You're not even golden.
Hey, that's me.
You're not even a star. You're a starfish.
Hey, Cosby, remember when I caught a starfish at Myrtle Beach?
Oh, never. Yeah, when he caught it.
Yeah. So funny story. Every like 2 years we go to South Carolina to go to the beach and camp. and then I felt something like triangle on the ground, and then I picked it up and it was a starfish. So we played with it. Oh, and we named it Patrick.
Yeah, it was Patrick. Oh, Aiden, did you know? People found a starfish that had a butt cheek. I'm not lying. People were calling it Patrick.
Driving you, and Crosby, you'll have to get your Ranger.
I like Brandon Crosby though. Yeah.
What?
I like Brandon Crosby though. He's my cameraman. Alright, see you, Crosby. This is part 1.